regular time for us here.
Welcome here again.
F'perjodu meta Malta tkun infittxija bil-bosta mit-turisti, One News żar numru ta' postijiet turistiċi u tkellem ma' dawk li żaruna dwar xfittxew f'pajjiżna u x'laqathom l-aktar. Kien hemm tweġibiet mistennija bħal baħar, xemx, kultura u l-ġmiel ta' pajjiżna.
It's beautiful country, beautiful island.
Malta è bella perché c'è il mare, c'è spiaggia e anche perché c'è bell'ambiente.
È bello, un bel paese, bella città pulita, turismo bello tranquillo, tutto ok.
It's nice, it's sunny.
Oħrajn marru aktar fil-font. Sansitra jfittxu pajjiżna minħabba l-eruq tal-familja u la darba hawn deru aktar gburin bir-rabtiet ma' Malta.
Malta is a special place for us in our heart as my family history is here in Malta, dating back to the early 1600s. I'm from Melbourne, Australia. I've come to see where my great-grandparents all grew up and lived, and it's such a fantastic place for a holiday.
Ma naqsux kummenti dwar kif it-turisti ħassew li ntlaqgħu f'pajjiżna u l-atmosfera sabiħa li esperjenzaw.
The weather, the people are so nice and accommodating.
Very affordable.
And very affordable for us to come to Australia for Malta for a holiday. And accommodation, the food, the beer, the activities, it is all just here in Malta.
I love the views, the nature, and the people are also nice.
Very nice people. It's great holiday for a few days.
Good food, good people and good places.
Finalment kienu bosta dawk li qalulna li żjara f'Malta jirrakkomandawha u sansitra min qed jieħu x-xogħol biex jagħmel dan.
I do recommend Malta.
I'm making myself even a YouTube video for people to see and come here and enjoy. It's nice community, nice friendly people.
I like it here. It's really beautiful. Please come to Malta. It's lovely here.